swing. You don't know. Come fishing with me, my friend. You don't know his style. Did you know, Rodney I told him not justice. It's a boom. For the first one that gone.
I
a
saw
100
that
pound
too.
out of marlin that when I come in, my friend. And he drop off, and I rather fuck around, watch the next one again. Did that swing. And me did that jam, I realize, say, fish, nah, come in. You rather not get fucked, so you don't know me, I have to go back to the yard style and start jamming with my hand. So me did that come in, feel like I did one shark. And me look, see there? One whale. First whale, my friend. Whale. About 360 pounds that out of fish. You see me, my friend? Yeah, man. This one I did my third catch. I couldn't find the phone the first time. The phone up on the car top. I did the whole time down the lake. I look for the blood clot phone. Think the phone last. But anyway, I find it back. I'm this is about my park here. Did I say, you my friend? So this one I did. I think the first one where they actually catch on the camera. You see me, my friend? But on a shot that I want bass. They call them a big mouth bass. You see me? I think we catch about 6 of them yesterday. I throw them back. The fishing was just for the fun. You see me? Just for the content and thing. Yeah, man. Nice little lake there. Down in Dubai. They are going to burn out a one.
Good size, guys. Look.
Spliff. You don't know his style go. Share there, show his size. Good size one, man. This one next one I follow the rod start. Fuck itself again, my friend. So I have to start pulling it by the hand. Really hard style. Could my friend, I'm a fishing shirt, I'm a fishing hat. Yeah, man, I'm a big cowboy boot. Yeah, shots never really relevant still, but they don't know. Make a shake, see me. How they are pulling out when I almost get when I go over to the rock side. Where did I go?
Oh, in the rock.
I know see me a big professional fisher person. Not fisherman, fisher person. And see a boom.
Oh,
Put them
another
on
good size one.
Barracuda. So watch the bend foot, them friend, you see me? I get there in the gym, man. I get sexy, man. I get that stomach here flat. And you see me? And it, don't look on the Muslim too much, man. Yeah, man. See something I get thick. Big size. Yeah, man. Marlin again, man.
Yeah, man, I keep this
Marlin, man.
shit. Yeah, man, you're
Marlin.
coming home with me tonight.
One more Marlin out of the lake side. I first person ever here catch one Marlin from the lake.
It's not going in my
Yeah,
freezer.
man. Look up on the size.
No, I'm kidding.
No, it's the size, man. I kind of feel up with bust his gut and
I
season
think
it
the
and,
last one was
you know,
bigger.
hot oil.
Yeah.
But me I say, you know, maybe next time, never really feel the mood for go scale of fish and do all of them unnecessary things, right, you know, my friend. You see me? For my gut, man, I get big, you know. So I used to drink cold beer, I stop drinking beer now. I'm just smoke. Too much information, but I'm not here. But anyways, I'm going to do that one, you know. I didn't remember. See there, a word me I use, my friend. Fake worm.
Go away and get
See
bigger.
that hang out, I'm outside that. Them and them like. Them not like real worm. Yeah, man. I saw you go, man.